How to buy a used truck tractor. Truck tractors are critical in the movements of goods and services. These machines pull heavy loads far and wide and are essential pieces of equipment for many South African businesses. Buying one can be a daunting task. This video will outline some key elements buyers should consider when purchasing a truck tractor. When researching, establish why the truck is being sold by the seller, or try to get some idea of the truck's working past. Review the maintenance and oil change records. Understand the accident history, or if the truck has had any previous damage or mechanical work done to it. Consider if any parts need immediate replacing, what they might cost, and if they're easily sourced. Research the engine model number and transmission to establish a track record, and also to try to understand the major components of the truck mechanics to give you an overall idea of what you're dealing with. When inspecting the truck, make sure to check out the following. Check the cab tilt system. Inspect the engine and its components. When possible, try to check the existing oil in the engine and transmission. Check for rust and body damage. Check the tires and tread. Check the axles and suspension. Check the fenders, plates, and cab guards. Check pigtails. Validate the mileage. Check the electronics, gauges, and inspect the interior. And ultimately, ensure that the truck is in the same condition as it was advertised. Having a detailed understanding of the truck you want to buy will ultimately help you to make an educated buying decision. Visit Truck and Trailer, the leading commercial marketplace for trucks, machinery, and equipment.